Thank you very much, sir. First of all, I deeply concerned over the poor progress of National Highway going from Panvel to Panjim. That doesn't go only from my Konkan area, but that goes to Goa, Goa to Karnataka and to the Kerala. So the poor progress has made a lot of efforts because in every week number of accidents occur therein and people die. So I urge to the Honorable Minister, though there is a dynamic minister for this particular ministry under the leadership of Nitin Ji Gadkari, last 5 years the progress has not happened as it was expected. And so there are a lot of problems regarding land acquisition, payment of the people, farmers, even some forest problems are also there. And unfortunately, this particular highway which is passing through our Konkan is also going to be charged for the toll. In the manifesto of BJP in 2014, the toll-free Maharashtra and toll-free country was given at that time. And the only national highway passing through the Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala, I don't know whether, what about the Kerala, Goa and the Karnataka, whether the toll is there. But especially the toll is going to be there. So that should be way off. Another national highway which was declared because of Mr. Gadkari ji, that goes from Pune to Mangaon, that is my assembly constituency, and especially in the Konkan area. This national highway is now stuck up only because of some problem of this Western Ghat eco-sensitive zone. From Pune to Mangaon especially, the road is not at all in existence. So I would urge to the Honorable Minister that a dedicated team should be formed for resolving these forest issues, eco-sensitive zone, some acquisition problems, so that this particular road connecting to the Konkan and Western Maharashtra can be completed in a stipulated period, which will help for the promotion of tourism in the Konkan area. Another, the road which goes to the Raigad Fort, the ancient capital of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, that connects Raigad to Mahad, where Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar had Chauda Taye Satyagraha in 1927. This road is also stuck up because of the forest and other problems. So I'll urge to the Honorable Minister that the same dedicated team should be formed as there is formed for the Mumbai-Nagpur Expressway, which is the dream project of our Chief Minister and even the Honorable Gadkari ji. Likewise, the same formula should be adopted for the other development of the region where this team is being required. Another road passing in my parliamentary constituency is Wakandpally, Khopoli, then Mangaon, Digi, Indapur, Agardanda. All these roads are under progress. But the payment to the farmers, land acquisition is stuck up over there. These all roads are constructed in Sagarmala projects. So that need to be give more attention for that. One of the road which is now I am quoting over here is Revas Reddy, the coastal highway. The only coastal highway passing through the Maharashtra, because Maharashtra has only 720 kilometer coastal way in Konkan region, not in Vidarbha, not in Western Maharashtra, not in North Maharashtra, not in Marathwada, but in the part of the Konkan. So this Revas Reddy road itself is a beautiful, scenic, passing through nearby the Arabian Sea, that is being declared, that has been given as national highway status. But the no number has been given for that. So that is also important. If this road happens, the DPR is being prepared, then the whole the coastal area will be benefited for the tourism point of view also. And people going from Mumbai to the Goa will be also benefited by this road. So this road should be constructed in Sagarmala project or whichever is possible. But first is being required that the national highway status is being given, but the number is given. That is most important there. My district headquarter parliamentary constituency, Alibag, Warkad to Alibag is a heavy traffic jam area now. People are moving, always going to Alibag for tourism activities. It is also coastal side. Kanoji Angre, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, that time Sardar, he is also fort is also, Kulaba fort is also there. So Warkad to Alibag, that road was considered to be taken in the last budget. The DPR should be formed therein also. And so dedicated team is being formed or particularly resolving the issues of forest and the land acquisition, likewise the Mumbai-Nagpur Express Highway, then these issues can be formed, and especially the national highway passing through Konkan, especially from my area, where the accidents are taking much very largely, number of places, number of there, yes. And especially the poor performance of the road should be considered therein. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.